Hello, Bill McRae here. I want to talk to you about this concept of amplifying your marketing message with YouTube and blogs. And the point of this is you take one piece of content that you have. In this case, you upload a YouTube video. Be on any topic you want. You should use TubeBuddy to make sure the title's right. You want to write a description that's accurate. And you upload it to your YouTube channel or your playlist within your YouTube channel. Then what you want to do is, you could share that out to various social media sites, and that's a good strategy. But the other thing you want to do is send it to your personal WordPress blog. And you want this to be automatic so you don't have to even think about it. And we have a piece of software that will do that for you. It's not available for sale yet, but it will be soon. It'll be a very inexpensive piece of software. So you're going to automatically take your YouTube videos to your blog. Now the reason why you want to do that is the blog has all sorts of benefits in terms of traffic as well. You can syndicate the blog post to social media sites as well, and to microblogging sites. The idea here is you'll get direct traffic from these sites, and you'll also get backlinks going to your individual post titles. So you're going to be driving traffic direct from YouTube. YouTube is going to get traffic just from its own internal search engine. And if you set things up right using TubeBuddy, you'll be able to, with time, build up a following and subscribers that will want to watch every video. Hopefully they'll like and share it. And if they like and share it, then we'll build up a following here. You can obviously promote your WordPress site, and you can get more traffic to YouTube and to your blogging sites, social media sites, just by syndicating the content from YouTube, but also syndicating the content from your WordPress blog. Now what this does is this attracts Google's and other search engine bots, because it's seeing links and interest coming from these high authority websites, the microblogging sites and the social media sites. So they see people coming to your website and they engage in your content, and the more they engage in your content, the more Google loves it, the more love Google's going to give it. So the whole idea is to create an environment where you are creating one piece of content and having it syndicated to all these different sites. Now this piece of software right here, the benefit of running our software is you do literally nothing. You just make sure you set the software up right, and it's going to grab the content out of your YouTube channel based on individual playlist. So you can have here a playlist on, let's say, list building, a playlist on blogging, a playlist on social media, a playlist on whatever your niche is, whatever the subcategories are, and then it will post them in the categories on your blog based on those subcategories, and then we'll post on that sort of thing off to your social media sites and your microblogging sites as well. So you create kind of a cloud of content, the ability to grab visitors and bring them to your website. On your website, you obviously want to have a lead gen form. And with the lead gen form that's there, just a little opt-in here to get our newsletter or to watch a video or whatever, is going to generate leads in your sales funnel, which is ultimately what you want to sell stuff. So this is a very, very effective way of being able to grow your following and generate lots of traffic. From one YouTube video, you're going to end up getting WordPress, several social media sites, and several microblogging sites. And from those things, you're going to get a couple here, few there, few there. It's going to add up and multiply. So you're taking a little bit of effort and then you're amplifying it across the entire cloud. And that's what you need to do to truly build a traffic machine.